Hello guys, this is your house fitness. My name is Min Young, and we're going to go teach you how to do a overhand right. So simply you want to be on your stance like this, arms up really high, and as soon as you throw overhand right, you can do a lot of variations. By slipping, you can slip as the opponent is throwing a punch, and then you can throw a big right, and while going down, simply it's the same thing as rotation when you're throwing a hook. The same thing, but you're just going to hit them from the top of the head. So as a demonstration, you want to slip. While you slip, and it'll come back. So this is typically while avoiding the punch and also giving some surprise attacks when the opponents can't guard the top of their head. So again, of course you want to use that rotational force, use that momentum to drive that impact on their head, the top of their head right here, the temple. And then you drive it, follow up. You can also follow up with other punches as well. If you're doing the overhand, you can throw some hooks to use that momentum to throw whatever punches to keep on that combinations. So that's how you throw an overhand right. Hope you guys enjoy. Link in the description and hope you enjoy.